Today we make keto steak with blue cheese and garlic compound butter. Let's go! First we make the compound butter. Soften a stick and a half of butter for 30 seconds in your microwave. Now take a wedge of blue cheese and break it into small bits for your compound butter. Put the softened butter, blue cheese bits, 2 teaspoons dried rosemary, and 3 spoonfuls of garlic into a blender. Pulse the blender until mixed. Take the compound butter and roll into logs for the steak and asparagus. Yummy. After letting the steak sit for 20 minutes, trim the fat off the edges of each sirloin. Add your favorite keto-friendly, sugar-free dry steak rub. Next, add garlic powder to taste for your steaks. Add kosher salt and pepper to taste. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell icons below this video, friends. Thank you so much. Time to grill. Oh yeah. Optional, we like asparagus with our steaks. I know many of you do as well. Yum, yum. Cut the compound butter logs you make into half-inch medallions for each of your steaks. Optional, melt a medallion or two to baste onto your asparagus. Delicious. Congratulations, my friends. Nice job. Oh, that looks good. Coffee donations are always appreciated. They keep me jacked up for the next video. Check out my merchandise at www.claysketocuisine.com. Keto for the win every day, yeah! See you at the next video, my friends.